In automotive manufacturing, precision cleaning directly impacts performance and reliability. Engine components like injectors, pistons, valves, and gear assemblies accumulate oil, carbon deposits, and micron-level contaminants in complex geometries. Ultrasonic cleaning machines use high-frequency sound waves, typically 20 to 40 kHz, to enable precision cleaning at a microscopic level. This process is based on cavitation, formation and implosion of microbubbles in a liquid medium. These bubbles generate localized high-pressure jets that dislodge contaminants from blind holes, threads, and intricate surfaces. Ensures uniform cleaning, minimal surface damage, reduced chemical dependency, and compatibility with aqueous or semi-aqueous solutions, resulting in improved component life, enhanced assembly quality, reduced rejection rates, and compliance with stringent automotive standards. Ultrasonic cleaning, a precision-driven, process-efficient solution for modern automotive manufacturing. Call now 9810065675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.